Good morning, grade fours. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend. I hope you guys are rested well, and I hope you guys got up to something fun. Let's start the day off by doing some devotions. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Now, let's have a look here. Today's verse comes from Joshua 1 verse 9, and it says, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or troubled. The Lord your God is with you wherever you go." Okay. Now, I know we're going through some difficult times at the moment, and every time we look on the news, it seems like something awful is happening somewhere around the world. Even here in our own state, there's these lockdowns aren't very fun. But anyways, always remember to be strong and courageous. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. Let me just say I'm very proud of all the work that you guys have been putting in and all the effort. And I know we're doing the best that we can. And yeah, my message for today is keep it up, guys, and keep doing what you're doing. You guys are making me proud. Good. Okay, for English today, we're going to be learning about similes and metaphors. First of all, similes and metaphors are very similar, okay? What they are is that they're a figure of speech which involves using another thing used to help describe another thing. So for example, just looking at this picture, you can say the boy ran as fast as a horse, or he ran as fast as a cheetah. See how you're using the image of a cheetah to describe what the boy is doing, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go through this PowerPoint, read the top part, okay? And then see how you can see this orange box, Sam's eyes were something something. You need to write that box, you need to write Sam's eyes were, and then you need to use your own simile or metaphor. So maybe you can say Sam's eyes were, I don't know, as wide as a deer, or Sam's eyes were glowing like, I don't know, a ghost. I don't know. Anyways, let's do another one. So the dogs were as hungry as a starving child. So come up with your own metaphors. Don't forget to read the top parts just so the story makes sense to you, and use your own similes and metaphors. Okay, good luck. Okay, for maths today, guys, we'll be starting with our new Oxford Math program. Now, I'm not sure what your one will look like, but whether you jump onto the website, oxford.com.au, or download the Oxford app, what you need to do is find this grade 4 Oxford Math book. And when you click on that, you should see something like this. Now, this week, we're going to be doing Unit 2, which is fractions and decimals. So click there. And then we're starting off with topic 1, which is equivalent fractions. So you need to click there, okay? All right. Now, first of all, I've printed out the worksheets for this, which should look like that picture with the duck. And then once you've done those, these are normal fractions equations that we've done already. So I wanted to start off with something that you guys are familiar with. Once you've completed those worksheets, I want you to click on this interactive button, or the interactive thumbnail, and this will give you the fraction wall where you can practice making fractions. So for example, 2/4, you need to find 2/4, which is over here. So you got 1/4 and another quarter, that makes 2/4. Then you have to find another fraction which is equivalent to that. So let's have a look. If you scroll down here, 1/6, if you put 3 of those, they actually equal 2/4 as well. Okay, so you go to check your answer, correct, and change to get a new equation, okay? And just do the same thing, just to give yourselves some good practice. And once you've done practicing, you can do this for as long as you want. Once you're ready, click back and then complete these 3 quizzes. They're only 10 questions each. Make sure you take breaks in between so you don't get too tired, okay? Good luck, guys. Okay, for integrated studies today, we'll be doing a science experiment called the floating egg experiment. This week, just to let you guys know, it's actually Science Week. So we're going to be doing a whole bunch of science experiments this week, and just to give you guys a break from forces and all that. Okay, now you'll see this in your activities in Seesaw. First of all, you'll need some equipment here. You'll need a large bowl, measuring jug. Doesn't really have to have numbers on it, but just a jug big enough to have an egg fit into it. You'll need some teaspoons and just an egg and some salt, okay? And then follow the steps on the left-hand side, starting from 1 all the way to 5. And before you actually do the experiment, I want you guys to write down in your books, first of all, write down the learning intention and success criteria, title, date, you know the rest, and write down your prediction. What do you think will happen when you add salt to water and then put an egg in it? Okay, write down your prediction. And then once you've completed the experiment, write down what you observed. What happened when you filled up the jug with salt and water, and what happened with the egg. Okay, write that down and write down why you think that happened. Okay, all the best. Okay, that's about it for today, guys. Remember to submit your work as soon as you finish them. And as usual, just contact me on Teams if you have any questions. Have fun. Have a good day. Bye.